You're watching the Daily Market Comment at xm.com by Rafi Boyajian. I'm Cristina Marujos. British lawmakers will vote today on whether to take control of the parliamentary agenda in order to force a vote on Wednesday on extending the Brexit date beyond the October 31st deadline by 3 months. However, with 8 Conservative MPs having so far confirmed that they will back the motion put forward by a group of opposition lawmakers, Prime Minister Boris Johnson is threatening to call a snap election if today's bill is passed. Complicating matters even more, Labour have signaled that they would only vote for a general election if the government agrees to certain conditions, such as extending the Brexit deadline. If all else fails, senior ministers have suggested the government may not abide by the legislation to seek another extension of the Brexit deadline. The unsettling developments have had a notable impact on the currency markets, with the pound tumbling across the board. Cable plunged below the $120 level today, hitting the lowest since the flash crash of October 2016, while the euro was 0.4% higher. Elsewhere, it was a mixed picture as fresh uncertainty about the planned trade talks between the United States and China for September pressured stocks and the Chinese currency. Bloomberg reported yesterday that the two sides are struggling to agree on a schedule for the next round of negotiations, leading some investors to question whether the talks would even go ahead. The trade anxiety kept U.S. equity futures in the red, pointing to a negative open, but China's main indices managed to reverse earlier losses to end the day slightly higher. The yuan remained on the back foot, however, and skidded to a fresh 11-year lows. The Australian dollar tracked risk sentiment lower, slipping to 4-week lows, but managed to rebound following the RBA's decision to hold interest rates unchanged at today's policy meeting. However, the bounce is likely to be short-lived as the bank kept the door open to more cuts. Traders will be watching the second quarter GDP estimates due out of Australia tomorrow morning for clues as to how soon the next rate cut will come. This was the Daily Market Comment. Thank you for joining us at xm.com.